If I told you you can make a little bit over $5,000 in 1 month doing small deliveries, helping people move, and also junk removal. Also, you don't have to reach out and do any marketing. All the customers will come to you on an app. If you'd like to know more, stay tuned to the video. But before we get into this video, I will like to take time out to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. So, to show my appreciation, I will be giving two of my subscribers $25. Yep, I'll be giving out $50, $25 each to two subscribers. Now, I'm not making any money from these videos that I upload. However, once I do start making money, the price will go up. It'll go up to $100, $500, $1,000, $2,000, and up to $5,000. So yes, I would be giving out up to $5,000 to either one of my subscribers, or I might bust it down with 5 different subscribers. But before I do that, I'll reach out to you guys and ask you guys' opinion on that situation. Whether you think I should split it up between 5 different people or 1 to 3 people. So if you guys would like to have a good chance of making the money, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on all post notifications, so you will be notified anytime I upload a video. Also, if you want to make your chances greater of receiving the money, all you have to do is share the video with someone, put them in on it. Make sure you guys leave your Cash App information in the comment section. You guys will make a greater chance of winning the money, especially when you share the video. So let's get into it. You will be making small deliveries, helping people move, also doing junk removal. You'll be operating as an independent contractor. You choose a job that's right for you. Now, this app offers a variety of services to customers, including store deliveries, full apartment move, labor only, junk haul away, and more. You can decide your schedule, work whenever you want to, become your own boss. There's no contract or minimum hours required when dealing with this app. The main task of the job is choosing which dolly to take. Show up to the dolly location, lift and or transport heavy items. Also, be empowered to communicate with customers to clearly clarify the job details. So pretty much you'll be doing junk removals, labor only, apartment moves, and store deliveries. Now, depending on the type of vehicle you have, will determine how much stuff you could deliver. So let's take a look and see what the pay is like. Okay, dolly helpers make an average of $50 per hour plus tips. Tips range anywhere from $20 to $50. Dolly hands make an average of $35 per hour. That's if you're someone who's just going to be helping out. You don't have a vehicle. You're just showing up to help somebody, with the junk removal, with a small apartment move, or making a delivery from a convenience store. You also get to keep 100% of the tips that the customers give out. Now, with these apps, every customer, now I'm not going to say every customer, but most customers, pretty much all customers, going to give you a tip. Now, the tip can range anywhere from $20 to $50. It all depends on the person who you're actually working for. So let's take a look and see the areas that these are located in. You can find work in 45 cities. So it's pretty much all over. However, I do see a few states that's not listed on the map. However, in my opinion, that just means that they don't have a brick and mortar building in that area, because I have reached out to a few a few apps, and they wasn't located in my area. But once I reached out to them, they told me they still operate in the area. They just don't have a brick and mortar building in the area that shows up on the map. So just reach out to them, call them, email them, and see if they locate in your area. No, that's good. Why should you choose Dolly? Dolly's a high paying payout guaranteed. See how much you get paid before you request a dolly or receive 100% of the customer tips. Top helpers can routinely earn $1,000 per week, and that's just for the helper, not the person who actually showing up with their own transportation. Now, all you need is pretty much like a SUV, a truck, sprinter van, or even a box truck. Now, if you can get your hands on a box truck, you're gonna actually make more. You can roughly put in about $8,000 per month. And the best thing I want you guys to realize is stack these apps. Use multiple apps at one time. For example, you can be on Dolly app, Freight app, Curry app, Lab Logistics, Spokes Logistics. These all apps do pretty much do the same thing. They have different payouts, and the more apps that you're using in one day will determine on how many jobs you can land for that day. For example, Curry app might only have one or two jobs for you. You complete those within an hour, hour and a half, you get paid. Then you might be sitting around waiting for another job to pop up on the app. Sometimes it might happen, sometimes it may not. But the best thing to do is be using multiple apps at one time. Therefore, if you complete two jobs on one app, you'll get an alert to your phone from a different app saying, hey, we have a small move, 14 items need to be delivered to such and such address. The person will be there to help you out, and you can go ahead and complete the job, the gig, and get paid. So stacking more than one app is also beneficial for yourself. Now, you can build your delivery and make your own delivery company. Be your own boss and quickly grow your business with consistent, well-paid work and live notifications when new dollies are requested in your area. So pretty much it's like Uber, DoorDash. You'll get an alert to your phone anytime a job becomes available. Now they're gonna tell you what the item is, where the item need to be transferred to, delivered to, who you need to talk to, the person who will be there, the person who belonging it is will be there also. Once you get the alert to your phone, you can accept it or you can reject it. Now, some of them might want you to drive, 10 miles, 15 miles, 20 miles, 30 miles. 35 miles is only like 40, 45 minutes away from wherever you're located in any area. So that'd be good. They also can have a long distance move. But before you actually do the long distance move, once you see it on the app, you can determine, hey, if you don't want to go that far, if you don't want to travel an hour away, don't accept the job. Also, if the job is paying a low amount that you feel that's not worth it, you can always send them a note stating that, hey, I feel this job here is worth a lot more than that. Once they see that people are not picking up the job order, fulfilling the order, they will increase the payout. So don't be afraid. Go ahead and reach out to them, let them know that, hey, this one here is not worth it. Because some of these apps, they would try to start out paying you like a low percentage, a low amount of money for your time. So let's take a look. Pretty much saying that an average of $50 per hour. I own a qualified vehicle and can lift 75 pounds. Now, if you're just going to be a helper, you can make up to $35 per hour. And just keep in mind, in most cases, most all cases, you will receive a tip. Tip can be anywhere from $50 to low as $20. And when you're moving people furniture around, they always tip. They tip pretty good because they don't want their furniture, their items get broken or damaged. So once you do a complete job, good job, you will get a great tip, 100% yours. Now you can use a truck, a cargo van, a SUV with a trailer, or just your muscle to work whenever you want to. So even if you don't have a car, a vehicle, you can just use your muscle. You'll be there just as a helper. So that's pretty much it for this one here. If you guys like to know more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And don't forget, I will be giving two of my subscribers some cash. So make sure you drop your Cash App information in the description below, in the comment section. That's all I have for you guys on this video. Stay tuned to my next one.